Back with another video. I'm back with it's Raven P, and I'm back with another video. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you can get notified of all my videos. If you're already a part of the family, thanks so much for supporting me, coming back, watching my videos. And if you just been watching and you kind of like, I think I like her, I think I want to subscribe, I don't know, just do it. It's free. Join the family. It's all love over here, because if it's all love, show me love then. Today we're going to be doing a FABFITFUN unboxing. This is the spring box. I have no idea what's in it. I did not personally customize mine because I like to be surprised. I like surprises, so I'm like, let me just go ahead, let them send me whatever it is that I'm gonna get sent, because I did a FABFITFUN unboxing before and it was the bomb. So let's jump right into this video. Oh my god, let's turn this around. This is cute. That's one thing about FABFITFUN. Their packaging be off the chain. The first thing I see when I open it up, FABFITFUN, and we got Venus on the cover, looking good, looking beautiful as ever. So one thing about FABFITFUN, in their magazines, they let you know the full price of each item. So the first thing I see when opening up the box is Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. Okay, so this says that polish and circulate motions all over body in order to stimulate circulation and to eliminate layers of dead skin. Designed to exfoliate and smooth skin to improve overall appearance of skin. Y'all know summer is coming. If this didn't come at the perfect time, I don't know what did. Let me feel. Okay. The bristles aren't too hard. They do have these soft little brushes in between them, so I like that. Let me just see. Let me try it. It feels a little like it'll take off some dead skin. Let's just say that. It definitely feels like it'll take off some dead skin. The Daily Detox Massaging Brush retails for $18. Also, I'm going to be keeping track of all the amounts. So we know that the detox brush was $18. Okay. Oh my god. So y'all, I've been hearing so many good things about these products, about this brand. This is the Quay. I want to say Quay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is a leave-in conditioner. Oh my god, this is definitely getting used. Let me see the texture of it. It smells like flowers. It smells real good. I'm gonna just put a little squirt. It's kind of like a watery consistent. Let me see a little bit. I'm gonna fly away. Smell real good. The Quay leave-in conditioner is $26. We're up to $44, you guys. Most season, I believe you get charged about $50. So we're already at the amount that we paid 2 items for all of these items in this box. It's clearly a deal. Moving on. So we have Dr. Brent's Skin Changing Science. Needles no more. So no more baggage. This is the eye depuffing gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags, dark circles. Yeah. If you wear makeup, an under eye cream is definitely really important. Even if you don't wear makeup, with aging comes aging. You're just not gonna have as much liveliness as you did when you were a kid. So why not use things that can help? Dr. Brent's eye gel retails for $42. Ding 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 ding. We're over the threshold, you guys. We're at $86 right now. I'm loving it. So I'm definitely going to be using this eye depuffing gel, you guys. We have the Libido Inspired by Nature aromatic body lotion. It's mandarin, orange, and bergamot. Let's see what this smells like. Y'all, I love body lotions. I'm one of those people. I seen on social media, it was like, are you one of those people that put lotion all over your body, or do you just put lotion on places that you need lotion? I literally, every day I get out of the tub, I have to lotion down my whole body. Like, I just don't feel right. It's pretty thick, which I like. This smells clean. This smells real clean. This smells good. This smells like something that you want to use after washing your hands all day. It's libido inspired. I like it. It retails for $19. We're at $105 so far. Let's see what this is, y'all. A beach bag or something. Oh my gosh. This is a backpack, you guys. Look how cute this is. And you got enough space. I'm gonna put some of my stuff in here. Guys, how cute is this backpack? The backpack retails for $75. What? Let's add that up. Y'all, we at $180. $180. Okay, let's carry on. Let's carry on. I'm getting too excited. I'm too excited. Hold on. Come on out. Spring, come on out. Sunny Life. Let's see what's in here. It feels pretty sturdy, like, and heavy. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking cute. It has 2 spoons, 2 forks, and 2 butter knives, and it also comes with 2 plates. So y'all, if y'all got a boo, you want to surprise him with a nice little picnic, you want your best friend, you and your mom, Sunny Life got us covered, okay? This is so clutch, and you can even wear it like for style, like a picnic on the go. A picnic on the go. This is so freaking cute though, you guys. Sunny Life. It retails for $30. Let's add it on up. Add it on up. $210. We're at $210, you guys. Let's keep it moving. Next up we have the Siate. Siata? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's an extraordinary translucent powder. It says apply generously to areas with concealer to create a crease-free, soft, focused finish. I do have on a little makeup, so we're gonna dust this on to see what it's like. And just pull my hair back for this. Okay, you guys, so let's take this translucent powder. I'm gonna focus this in my T-zone area. Everyone's dream is to look like our favorite Snapchat filters at all times. Like, this is giving me that. This retails for $22. Let's add that up to our list. We have $232. Okay guys, so I have one more thing in my spring FABFITFUN box. Let's see what it is. Ooh, it's pretty. It says relax. The champagne charcoal scrub. It's an exfoliant champagne scrub. You guys, y'all know what time of the year it is. You should be exfoliating all year around, but the summertime, come on now, we're gonna be wearing less clothing, more bathing suits. We want our skin to look flawless. Let's focus on this product. Open it up, see what it smells like, see what it's feeling like. Oh, it smells good. It smells like Kool-Aid, and it's purple. I was about to say, it definitely smells like grape Kool-Aid. Let's see. Okay. I went ahead and rinsed the champagne charcoal exfoliating scrub off of my hand, and y'all, no exaggeration, none at all. When I say my hands feel so soft, really, really soft. Let me get my backpack, okay? Let me get some of my lotion. I wish y'all can feel them. Here. I'm gonna go ahead and put all my stuff in my backpack because this is gonna be my handy dandy spring backpack. You never know when you're gonna need this stuff. Exfoliating. I'm needing to touch up my makeup, honey. I'm putting all this in my bag. And thanks so much for watching my videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good one. This too stylish. This too. Who wanna go on a picnic? I wanna take you on a picnic. If you want to go on the picnic with me, comment below. I'm out.